Hello everybody, welcome back. We are in Mississippi and we are probably leaving Mississippi today. We've stopped down here at our good friend Craig's house. He invites, every time we're coming through the area, he invites us to come in and, stay for a few days, or he says, well, stay as long as you want, which is really nice. Craig has that Lazy Days back there. It's, I think it's 24, 25 feet. It's a nice size rig. I really like it. There's the Coachmen. Bella's up there in the driver's seat. She's ready to drive. Took care of a couple of things with the Coachmen. I needed that alternator, was beginning to kind of get weak. I did replace the alternator in it while I was here. It was nice to get the car off after towing it for 1,000 miles, a little over. It was nice to unhook it and take it to the car wash. All road dirt and stuff from the it was a mess, so it was nice to get that cleaned up. I also did something to the Fiesta. I added a tire pressure monitoring system for it, so that hopefully it transmits far enough that I can keep the monitor for it up front of the Coachman, that it'll read that far back. The nice thing about when we still traveling with Russ, was he was always following. If something went wrong back here, he could let me know in the walkie-talkie that something was, we needed to stop and check things out, something was going on. But now that I'm just towing, I'm traveling by myself, just Bella and I can't run the rear view camera continuously, or monitor it myself, go keep my eyes on the road, can't be watching it all the time. So hopefully that system, if something happens to one of the tires back here, that system will alert me if it drops below a certain pressure. So I've seen pictures on the internet where somebody got a blown tire, and you can't really, when you've got a big rig like that and a tiny little car behind it, you can blow a tire and not know it right away until you've really done serious rim damage. I don't want to get down the road or somebody pull up beside me and start honking their horn like, hey, your tire's falling off or on fire or something like that. So I got that system. We're gonna see if that works here, but yeah, we're gonna be heading out of here today and continuing on west. Yeah, we're all hooked up. Just pulled the RV forward, back the old little car back up in here, got hooked up. We're just about ready to go. We'll do our goodbyes with Craig and we'll be on the road. We won't be back in Mississippi again for a while. Maybe sooner than you think. Craig picked them up this Jeep here not too awful long ago. I really, really like it. Just saying. Who doesn't like a lime green Jeep, right? All right. I like that. Regular gas is $2.56 a gallon. Diesel's $3.62 at the Circle K here. I like that. $2.56 a gallon. Yes. I guess $2.46 easy pay. Whatever that is. Like I join their rewards program or something. But, we're out of here.
US 90 west for 7 miles.
We have been really lucky. Our entire stay in Mississippi has been sunny and just beautiful weather. Today, as you can see, it's starting to cloud up. The rain is supposed to move in this evening, and there is rain in the forecast every day for a while. So we may be getting out of here just in time. I don't know how widespread the rain's going to be. If we're going to go on into Louisiana, I don't know if we'll get out from under it or not. But we are starting our trip west. Going west for a little ways anyways. I don't think we're going the whole way out to Arizona this year. I'm pretty certain of that. And we're no quartzsite this year. Things can change, but I'm pretty certain. We're going to stop up here in a bit. Up here at the Mississippi Welcome Center along the state line. Of course, they're welcoming people coming in from the west, and we're leaving from the west. But it's one of the nicest welcoming centers or rest areas that I know of for if you're out traveling and RVing water and dump station and places, nice places to pull off for a while. You know, that's away from the other traffic, the other cars and trucks and everything. They got RV spots, so we're gonna go on up here a little ways yet. Now there's a sign back there that said no overnight parking, and I don't know how true that is of the entire area. Maybe it just meant like along this road. If the you know, if the tractor trailer section gets filled up, a lot of times rest areas and stuff, you'll see them all parked out on the on ramp and off ramp. So, but I am told with certainty that happens all the time down here in the down here a little bit further where the RV spots are. So we're gonna get on in here a little ways and get us yeah, I can see over the
600 feet, you will arrive at your destination.
yeah, I can see from over here that they're it's all empty over there, so we shouldn't have any problem. Yep, and okay, then there's a sign was right there, no overnight parking here at the truck where the trucks are too. So I don't know how they determine that. Somebody's just, or how well that's enforced. You know, if you're driving and you pull in at 10 o'clock in the evening, well, what if you're just gonna take a break for 3 or 4 or 5 hours, or if you're there for 6 or 7, or you get, you know what I mean? Is it just a long break in the evening, or is it overnight? What constitutes overnight? So now we get down here and where the RV spots are, and we'll see if there's any more of them signs. All right, there is a sign up here that says no parking on shoulder. There's another one that says no parking on shoulder. And a truck driver, there's a truck over there who's using a dump station. He's got a little miniature porta potty thing. Yeah, plenty of no parking on shoulder stuff here. All right, here we go. Uh-oh. Let's see, there's another sign, no parking on grass. All right, see places on the right, places on the left. Now, not every one of these spots has a water thing for getting your water, a water spigot for filling up. I think there's one up here. I think it's the next, if I remember right, it's the next to the last one. Well, I think we just passed one. Yeah, there was one right there, and I passed it. Well, I think this one too. We might take this one here as a water spigot, this nice and handy. Yeah, and that next one up does too. So some of them do, some of them don't. All right, lots of signs, no parking on the grass. But I don't see anything about overnight in this entire length here. There's probably 10 sites on each side, 8 or 10, something like that. All right, looks like I'm gonna start a return on this one. The front left is not communicating. The other 3 are. This is the one for the car. Sometimes they take a little bit to get going initially, but we've gone almost 14 miles, and that one is not activated. So this whole system was only like 29 bucks. I know sometimes, like the one for the RV, it's a six tire system. This is only a 4 tire system. You know, it took a little bit, half a mile or a mile, and it didn't come on right away, but after 14 miles it should have. We got some big blank spot up there. So yeah, I might have a faulty one here, it looks like. I did buy that on Amazon. Don't have too much problem with products from Amazon, but returns aren't really easy. Oh, and the thing is, I can order a replacement. At least this will tell me what 3 tires are doing. I can continue using this. I'll order a replacement and get it in, and I have 30 days. Actually, because of the holidays are near, I think I have till the end of January window to return this. So I'll go ahead and get another one coming and pick it up at an Amazon locker somewhere, and get it swapped out. Oops, I may have pulled up a little bit far. I don't think my hose is going to reach the whole way back here. Oops, but that next one is available. Actually, what I'm probably going to do is I'm going to fire up the hot water tank, probably grab a quick shower this afternoon, and there's a way to loop back around, and then that truck is probably out of there already. I'll go dump my tank, and then I'll fill up with fresh water after a shower. And let's see here, is it working condition? Gonna work? Oh no! They worked last time I was here. Dang it. Huh. Well, I do have plenty of water to grab a shower and stuff, and I'll dump the tank, and we'll just have to refill the fresh water somewhere on down the road. I get out the showers and plenty more, but we're not in crisis mode yet. Girl. What's nice about this rest area too, if you do stay here, maybe I'll ask if I see an employee or something, and just double check that for future reference. But it's nice that the trucks are way over there. You're not parked at a rest area or welcome center right next to the trucks. So, what do you think, Bella? Come on. Yep, more no parking on grass. There's been nothing about no overnight in this area, this section. Oh, maybe this is why it's like the entire water system, I bet, is turned off. There's another one up there by the garbage can. All it takes is one bad leak, and they just shut the entire system down. I wish I'd get over and fix that fountain, dang it. So, yeah, there's probably no water here whatsoever. We'll just try it just because is that ground wet? Hey! Hey, we got lucky. Okay, we got lucky. I think we're gonna pull up to this spot. And I'll keep in mind, not pull up so far, keep it within 25 feet. My hose is only 25 feet. So, all right. That solves that problem. I just figured these were all plumbed together. They didn't have individual shutoffs. It's that, when you shut the main valve off, they're all off, but they must have individual shutoffs somewhere. I think those are fire ants. Fire ant nests. To watch out, me and Bella. Be careful of them things. Those don't feel good. There we are. From there to there. We're good now. Pretty nice area. Pretty nice. Somebody's due to come around and empty the garbage. That'd be a good time if I catch the employee. It'd be a good time to ask them if overnighting's okay in this section. We actually, maybe we'll just hang out here all the afternoon and stay here tonight, or maybe we'll head on down the road further. I think it's only early afternoon. Well, I think the only downside here would be all the truck traffic is diverted over this way, so you get this noise coming by periodically. And so there you are, you have that. I imagine in the evening it slows down, right? That's why every rest area, probably every rest area in the country at night, it's just loaded with trucks. Truckers got to sleep too. Might get the occasional one, maybe likes to drive at night and comes around after a rest, but I'm sure traffic would it'd probably get pretty quiet around here. I wouldn't mind an occasional truck passing by. Boy, I just wouldn't want to be sitting over there by them, have that constant noise at night. Well, we stayed last night. Good morning. it's cleared out pretty good now, but all these spots, probably you can see they're still down there. Even trucks came over and used this spot. That filled up over there where all the trucks are at, and kind of bled over into this area. There's still a couple trucks there. The ones that were up here had already left, and they were pretty quiet, no engines running. And there's a big Class A down there and a big truck down behind him. So yeah, it was pretty full last night. And I seen a guy, he looked like a ranger or something, or some state employee. He actually looked like he had a sheriff's uniform on. Nice uniform, riding around in a golf cart, and just business as usual to him, I guess. Nothing said to anybody, and so yeah, we stayed here, and it was pretty peaceful. And Bella slipped out of her collar. Get over here. You need to be on your leash. Should be, right? What are you doing over there? You're just standing. Are we gonna maybe go on and venture on into Louisiana today? Gonna start making our way a little bit west? See more of our friends, maybe? You want to go do that? She said, did you say more friends? You want to go see more friends? Ain't she something? Alright, so anyway, we successfully stayed at the Mississippi Welcome Center. The state line is just to the west here a little bit. We'll be into Louisiana here later on today, and just kind of mosey along. We have a time schedule to keep a little bit. Just under 3 weeks. I plan to be somewhere in Texas, so we're gonna but we got time to see and do, and just kind of drag our feet doing it. So that's our plan. No rush. What do you think, girl? Come on, how about you come get your collar back on? Can you just walk into it? Can we just do this? Can you just put it on like that? There you go. All right, we're gonna get on with our day. It's a new day. I'm gonna check the weather too and see how far we gotta go to get out from underneath this cloudy, rainy sky. Just sprinkled a little bit last night, and that was about it. But there's a lot of rain in the forecast here in Mississippi, so maybe we'll go as far enough west to get out from under it. See what we can do. I'll see you next time.